Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the pound USD weekly chart setup, which I showed in my yesterday's video. The setup is the chart was this, which I made it yesterday, and it is still very close to that. Almost the same. It just went up a little bit to the upside. Let me just show it to you here. That it went up. See this here? It just went up, and I was expecting that. Because this number is 3502, is a very big number. It's right there. See this 3502 after a big drop, and then it went up big time. So this is stands alone here. Very nasty number, and we are there right now. Excuse me. So the setup is still valid as long as we are below 3502. We have a good chance of dropping. This is a very, very big level. It's not that easy to break, right? So, but we need some kind of a catalyst, some kind of outside force, a reason to make the turn, right? To the downside. And the reason could be pound weakness or USD strength. Now, tonight, I don't know if we have any news for pound, but I'm pretty sure that for tomorrow morning, 8:30, we have NFP, first Friday of the month. We have NFP, right? Non-farm payroll, and which is a big, big red news for US dollar index, USD. So if we get some kind of news, positive news, right? Doesn't look like, but if, let's say, if that's what I'm based on, that if we get a positive USD news, then USD probably gonna get strong, and then this thing's gonna drop. Another chart that I have that is showing that maybe the USD probably gonna get strong is this. This is the chart I made, 40-minute chart. It is 40-minute chart is like 4-hour chart, regular candlestick. So this is the last drop here. You can see here. This drop here is if you look at the bigger screen. I mean the real life chart is on a weekly chart, for example, not weekly, but you'll see on the monthly. Not uh, this is pound USD. Let me just open up real quick. Let's say US dollar index chart, and then you will see that on a weekly chart, that's almost like this one. You see that here? So this is the one, and then if I have it a daily USD daily chart, this is the one, right? So yesterday I said maybe it's gonna drop. Go up from here, but no, they are waiting for NFP, and it came down all the way to 127 of this number, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then nicely 5. Then we could go for wave ABC correction if we are going for A. If this is correction, then we're gonna go for wave 1, right? So this is what it is, and then the chart that I made, it is a little bit different. It is for 40-minute chart, and this is how it is. The same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the area. See 127 here. Now from here, and if you consider that this is 1, 2, and then this is wave 3 all the way down, and this is whole thing is like wave 5 going on, right? So wave 3, after that, the wave 3 usually is 1.618 of wave 1. So wave 1, and then if you use this fib tool here, expansion, then you can see this 161% exactly here, right? So we are sitting here. This is a current chart, valid. So that's what I'm thinking, that if NFP comes in and if we start getting strong, we're going to go up into the 38%. That's where it goes normally for wave 4. And then we'll drop for wave 5 again. Maybe not. Maybe continue to go to the upside. Who knows, right? But this is the only hope that I have for USD strength. Tomorrow, NFP, and we go up, and then only then pound USD will drop. Excuse me. Okay, so let's take a look at the pound USD again. The same chart, same everything, but let me see. Okay. Excuse me. It's just that we went up a little bit more to the 35 area. That's it, right? And by the way, this is the monthly chart. Then you see this here, the 3502. I made this monthly chart long time ago when the price was here. Maybe I have the chart here open. Let's just take a look at the. Oh yeah, wait, hold on just a minute. Right there, see this chart here. So these are the calculations that I did in 2018, February 2018. 18 February 2018, a monthly chart when we were here that we're going to go down here. So what we did so far from there, that came down like this, and then we went sideways and hitting the TL right now. That's what we are doing right now. You saw? So you just saw it, like, this is what it is. See that from here, we came down here, up, and then hitting the TL. So my take is that the USD probably gonna get strong and we will drop. If not, if we go above this, then we can probably go a long way. All right. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. But I really like to see this thing going down from here, below 3502. 3502 is the key number now, and I will be taking, short. And the way that I go short or long is just like it has to have my Magic IV system set up. If not, then I don't go long or short, right? So for today's trade, for example, I went long because it was going up. Is this? See, from 7-minute chart, it went, bullish. From bearish, it turned bullish again, and then um, beautiful entry here. As long as this whole thing, the wave and the price is above the red line, it's this every time this indicator come down here, here, all of these is long entries, right? And blue candle turn into red turn into blue, then we get it. So you can really make a lot of entries. This chart present a lot of entries when the price is going in your direction. So I'll be waiting for a short move, right? So for the short move, I have to have short setup just like this, the opposite way. For example, here, the same 7-minute chart, but see when the price was dropping, this is the news reaction, boom, 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 and then it sells down. And all of these are short entries because now we are traveling below red line, right? This beautiful entry here, this is here, right? So it's just keep traveling. If you take an entry like this, you can just hold on to it and for 70, 80, 100 pip trade easily all the way to the next support level, whatever it is, right? So this is how, and then this is my current today's, well, where it go? Probably that this is the one, right? That was the one, the entry, and then it went up. So yeah, so this is how I'm gonna be looking to trade to the short side from tomorrow. Let's see what happened. This trade, this setup is valid. What I'm saying is that if it goes up and then it goes up, right? I'll leave it alone. But if it start dropping, it has a long way to go. And then probably pound also. I'm not gonna show pound index here because the video is gonna be very big. But also, if pound gets weaker, then the drop will become more faster and faster, and a long way. And then it creates a lot of opportunities. So this is, if you do these things, the analysis ahead of time, so you can anticipate the turning point. And when the turn happen, you get in early using some kind of system. In my case, I use my system, Magic IV system. I just showed you how. So and you can use any system, and then boom, go in, right? So but you have to have a system, by the way. Anyway, so this is how the pound USD is going to be. This is where we stand. Each and every pair, each and every index, I do the analysis first and then come up with the setups if we see it, and then we take it from there. So be ready for tonight and tomorrow. Maybe tonight there's pound news that will drag this pair to the downside, right? If the pound news comes out bad. So this is it for now, and just like I said, be ready. All right. I have this chart here, a daily chart of this saying be ready. I don't know. No, I don't have it. I made a very funny chart here, but probably that's a index chart. Anyway, so this is my 40-minute chart, pound USD. All right, so this is how it is. So I'm gonna close it, and like I said, that just be ready and take it from there. All right, so stop recording.